Today I'm going to share with you this one metaphor that literally has changed the way I network, the way I make friends, and if I wasn't already married, it probably would also change the way I would be dating. Instead of finding people with your shared past, find people that share your future. Let me explain. There's a lot of research out there that shows that we connect the fastest with the people that are similar to us. And that oftentimes happens subconsciously based on our first impressions. So even just seeing somebody who's the same skin color, who maybe dresses the same as us, we immediately feel connected more than somebody who looks very different. And to be honest, that doesn't always build the foundation for a true, deep, meaningful connection. Because a lot of times when we go out and we meet somebody new, we kind of slip always into the same types of questions. What do you do? Where are you from? What are your hobbies? And so on. The problem with these questions is they all focus on either the past or some present similarities. And if that's all that matters, then I should have made a lot of really good friends at this meetup that I attended, which was for German parents living in Toronto, Canada. Because we had lots of things in common. We grew up in Germany, we were all parents, we all live in the same city, in the same neighborhood, yet I had a very hard time forming these meaningful connections with them. And the reason simply was that we didn't share any similar plans for the future. They were living in big houses and were planning to go back to their 9-to-5 jobs. I was self-employed, and just when it comes to even like planning our vacations, they were planning to go to an all-inclusive resort, whereas I was getting quite excited to do some hiking with my parents in the Alps and go backpacking. Our paths might have gone parallel until now, but looking at the future, they will be drifting apart. And one way to change this is next time you meet someone, ask them about their dreams, their values, their goals, their vision, because that's where, even though you might have had very different paths until now, you might get closer and closer the more you work towards your goals. So here's some questions that are much better that you could ask. What's something you've always wanted to learn? What does the perfect weekend look like for you? Or what is a passion project you're working on right now? If you can find people with a shared destination, then you can grow closer together over time rather than drifting apart. And one of the very first steps for you to figure out who those people are is to get clear on what are your values, what are your dreams, what is your vision, what does that look like? So in the next few videos, we'll do a couple of exercises to help you get clear on that. And that will probably be the most important lesson of this whole course. So if you end up just doing one of the exercises, make it this one. I will see you in the next video.